and Disney. Yes, you heard it right. Totally new in Canva. Canva is always updating its features, its apps. It's really amazing. You can test it for 30 days for free. Sign up to Canva. Then let's choose add Disney content to your designs. Let's check them out first. Look at this. This is so amazing. I love Donald Duck. He's my favorite. Who is your favorite? Do tell me in the comments. Okay, now choose your design. I really love Donald Duck. You also have collections. Let's check one out. Oh, this is so cute, so good. Don't you love it? I do. Okay, finally, I chose a design. Let's customize it. Now here you can change everything you like. Let me just show you what you can do. You can change the fonts, you can change the animation. Hey, have you noticed that you have more animations? They are new. Let's test them out. Really fantastic, right? So all you have to do is customize it and write whatever you like. Choose whichever character you want from Disney, and that's it. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Thanks so much for watching my video, supporting my work. Bye bye for now. I do have to point out that you don't have the commercial license to use it or sell it. It's just for your personal use. Imagine a birthday card, whatever you like.